If you're serious about recording audio, there's one piece of gear that's probably sitting on more home studio desks than any other interface in the world. Today we're diving deep into why the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 has become the gold standard for beginner and intermediate audio recording. The Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 isn't just another audio interface. It's the bridge between your analog world of microphones and instruments and your digital audio workstation. But what makes this particular red box so special that it's dominated the home recording market for over a decade? We're going to break down everything from its technical specifications to real-world performance, and I'll share some insights that might surprise you about this seemingly simple device. Let's start with what you're actually getting when you invest in a Scarlett 2i2. At its core, this is a 2-input, 2-output USB audio interface, but that simple description doesn't tell the whole story. The heart of this device lies in its preamps. Focusrite has been making professional mixing consoles since the 1980s, and they've packed decades of analog expertise into these compact preamps. The gain range is impressive, offering up to 60 decibels of clean gain, which means you can use everything from dynamic microphones that need lots of boost to sensitive condenser mics without any issues. The inputs themselves are incredibly versatile. Each of the two combo jacks accepts either XLR or quarter-inch connections, and here's where it gets interesting. Input 1 can handle microphone-level signals, line-level signals, or even instrument-level signals when you engage the instrument button. This means you can plug your guitar directly into the interface without needing a separate DI box. Input 2 handles microphone and line-level signals. Both inputs feature phantom power, which is essential if you're using condenser microphones that require external power to operate. Now, let's talk about the analog to digital conversion, because this is where your audio quality is really determined. The Scarlett 2i2 uses 24-bit converters capable of sampling rates up to 192 kHz. For most home recording applications, you'll probably be working at 48 kHz or 96 kHz, and the conversion quality at these rates is genuinely impressive for a device in this price range. The dynamic range specification of 111 decibels means you're getting professional-grade conversion that will capture the full detail of your recordings. One feature that often gets overlooked is the direct monitoring capability. When you're recording, there's always a slight delay between when you play or sing something and when you hear it back through your computer. This latency can be distracting and make it difficult to perform naturally. The Scarlett 2i2's direct monitoring allows you to hear your input signal directly from the interface, completely bypassing the computer and eliminating that delay. The mix knob on the front panel lets you blend between the direct signal and your computer's playback, so you can hear both your live performance and any backing tracks or previously recorded parts in perfect sync. Let's address some common misconceptions about this interface. Many people assume that because it's affordable and popular with beginners, it must compromise on audio quality. That's simply not true. I've used Scarlett 2i2s on professional projects, and the preamps are clean and transparent. They don't add unwanted coloration to your sound, which is exactly what you want in most recording situations. The noise floor is impressively low, and the headphone amplifier is powerful enough to drive most studio headphones to comfortable listening levels. The build quality is another standout feature. The metal chassis feels solid and substantial, not like a cheap plastic box that might break if you look at it wrong. The knobs have a good feel to them, and the LED ring around each gain knob provides clear visual feedback about your input levels. The USB connection is bus-powered, meaning you don't need an external power supply, which keeps your setup clean and portable. Speaking of portability, this is where the Scarlett 2i2 really shines for many users. If you're a songwriter who likes to record ideas whenever inspiration strikes, or if you're a podcaster who needs to record in different locations, the compact size and USB power make this incredibly convenient. I've recorded everything from acoustic demos in coffee shops to full band rehearsals in practice spaces using nothing more than this interface and a laptop. However, let's be honest about the limitations. With only two inputs, you're not going to be recording a full drum kit or capturing a live band performance. This is really designed for solo artists, singer-songwriters, podcasters, and small-scale production work. If you regularly need to record more than two sources simultaneously, you'll want to look at the larger Scarlett models or consider a different interface entirely. The software bundle that comes with the Scarlett 2i2 adds significant value to the package. You get a license for Pro Tools first, which is a simplified version of the industry-standard Pro Tools software. There's also Ableton Live Lite, which is perfect for electronic music production and loop-based composition. The Focusrite Creative Pack includes various plugins and samples that can help you get started with production right out of the box. One thing I particularly appreciate about Focusrite as a company is their driver support and regular updates. The interface works seamlessly with both Mac and PC, and they consistently release driver updates that improve compatibility with new operating systems and DAW software. This might seem like a small detail, but it's crucial for maintaining a stable recording setup over time. For most home studio applications, the Scarlett 2i2 hits the sweet spot between price, performance, and features. It's sophisticated enough to deliver professional results, but simple enough that you won't get lost in complicated menus or settings. Whether you're recording vocals, acoustic instruments, electric guitars, or creating podcasts, this interface provides a solid foundation for your audio production work. The Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 proves that sometimes the most popular choice really is the best choice. It combines professional-grade audio quality with user-friendly operation and rock-solid reliability, all at a price point that makes high-quality recording accessible to everyone. If this deep dive helped you understand whether the Scarlett 2i2 is right for your setup, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments what gear you'd like me to review next.